One thing I noticed from the last video is that if the enemy's close to the target, close to the navmesh agent or the first checkpoint, and if the enemy's facing the other way, and if I turn on run, it goes into the other direction. I'm going to do a quick fix for this. I'm going to go into start running script, and in case with running right in the beginning, I want the character to face the right direction. So for going right, you want to face forward. For going left, you want to face left. So right from the first step, you're going into the right direction when you're running. And if I click play and turn on run, it goes into the right direction. I also want to rename some of the files. Characters, states, AI. For the run animation controller, there's no animation, so I'm just going to rename this to run controller. And same thing with walk. Change the name to walk controller. I just thought this would make a little more sense. And if I test it, click play again, just to make sure that everything works fine. I'm going to turn on, first I'm going to turn on run, so it works. If we're here and press run again, it's working fine. I'm now going to go into, or I'm now going to go up the platforms and make sure that walk and jump are running fine as well. Okay, looks good. So that was the quick fix. I thought about creating a general AI to control these subsets, but I think in the next video, I'm just going to start with a simple controller to turn on and off these different AIs. I don't think I would need another complex AI to control different AIs. That might be taking a little too far. I might change it into AI later on, but for now, I think I'm just going to create a simple controller to turn on different types of these separate AIs. So that'll be for today. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.